Acura dropped the Integra Type S HRC prototype. This thing looks absolutely amazing. It checks off a lot of the boxes. This is the feeling that I wanted to have when the original Integra nameplate was brought back when they announced it. Now it's actually here. There are only two things that I would change visually on this car. So let's pop it into Photoshop. Let's change these up really quick and talk about it. So of course, the first thing that I hope Acura offers as an option on this car is going to be red badges. I think as classy as the black badges look, and you've got the HRC badge on there, I think if Acura offered red badges as an option, that would be great. And of course, in Photoshop, just like that, we've got them red. Looks freaking killer. Super awesome. And of course, the second thing that I would change on this car visually is I want to see white wheels. It's such an iconic look for the Integra. That golden yellow, almost phoenix yellow color with white wheels is just an amazing combination. It's something that's so unique and not a lot of other cars can pull that off. So we're going to pop this into Photoshop. If you want to learn how to do this on your own car, of course, I've already done videos on the channel, so you can watch those after you finish this video. And I want to hear your comments below. What do you think of the HRC option for the Type S? I think this is super cool. I think if they can keep it sub $100,000, which is a huge price tag, but if they can keep the price reasonable, then this car will be something really special that a lot of people could hopefully get their hands on. So let's finish up this render. You guys drop your comments. Let me know what you think of this car and what you want to see as far as future renders, and we will talk soon.